welcome to the 2-Minute Coach, where I'll be sharing tips and strategies and growth tools in 2 minutes that you can apply to a lifetime. To be experimenting and find out a couple of key anchors that you can start from. So when I write and I tell you to write out your step by step, you can start writing out what you currently do because it's visual and it's very clear. Then you can start breaking it apart and either replacing it, changing, or optimizing. Because you might find that what you do now is absolutely perfect. You feel great. So there's nothing to change. But if you would like to wake up at an 8 instead of a 5 or a 6, then you've got the potential to increase your energy by 50%. Be super specific and repeat it for a few days, get some continuity, because don't forget, when you make a little change and you do it consistently, even the first day, second day, third day, that's starting your day at a +5 already. You've already got this dopamine connection. You've already got some quick wins. You're already proving to yourself that you can actually hack your habits and you can change things. You are in control. That's powerful in itself. So again, these brain dumps is either to get clarity, but it's also to get you into a routine of putting pen to paper. So if your workday is quite structured, you might have a little brain dump or use your power questions related to work before you leave the office. What you do at night might be for your own personal growth. Thanks for listening. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss future episodes, and would love to get your feedback, so please give us a review on iTunes, Apple Podcasts and Google Podcasts so that we can share 2-minute growth tools with the world.